show you how to add steps to a task in the Microsoft To Do app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this in one of the lists. From here, we just go into one of the lists and then click on one of the tasks. And here under the name of the task, we will find add step. Now we can click on this and then type in the steps of this task. For example, here this would be download an app, and then we have subtasks of this one, and then if we click on it, we can check this one out and then check the other one out as well. I mean, check the subtask and then check the main task. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.